Every day, teachers, students, and parents face the same challenges. Too much work, too little time, and no clear way to track real progress. But learning shouldn't be this hard. That's why we built Yoyol, a smarter, more personalized way to teach and learn. For students, Yoyol uses adaptive learning to adjust to their pace, their strengths, and where they need support, helping every learner grow with confidence. For teachers, you can create assessments instantly with AI. No more long nights, no more endless preparation. Yoyol, empowering teachers with the tools to teach better, faster, and smarter. But it doesn't end there. And marking? Yoyol does it automatically fast, accurate, and stress-free. Teaching is powerful, but it shouldn't be overwhelming. Teachers also get powerful individual student reports from adaptive learning, showing how many attempts a student made on a single question, how much time they spent, and exactly where they're struggling. Real insights that make teaching smarter and more effective. These insights help teachers understand each student on a deeper level, so every lesson becomes smarter, targeted, and meaningful. For parents, Yoyol provides real-time performance updates that finally make sense, keeping them connected to their child's progress every step of the way. Parents can even create assessments from home, assign them to their child, and let Yoyol auto-mark everything, giving instant results and a clear understanding of where their child stands. And for schools, efficiency and oversight matter more than ever. With Yoyol, school administrators get complete user management, allowing you to assign roles and permissions with ease. Add teachers, monitor their activity, and get a clear view of everything happening on the platform. See every group or class created, every assignment uploaded, every invitation sent, all organized in one powerful dashboard. With better visibility comes better decision-making and a smarter, more connected school. Yoyol, empowering schools with structure, insight, and control. Teachers, students, parents, schools, all connected, all empowered. Visit yoyol.ai to learn smarter and teach better.